Hey everybody, I'm going to ask you a question. Did you know that there is a really cool, somewhat unknown feature that you can use with your paper trimmer? Let's take a look. First, I'm going to cut my 8.5 by 11 paper in half so that I have two halves, but one is to the side. And this one I'm going to fold on the 4 1/4 mark. So I've got my paper down. Don't make the mistake I've done before and make sure you use the scoring blade and not the cutting blade for this part. And I like to run it over a number of times to make sure I've got a really good tight crease in there. Next, I'm going to turn my paper cutter. And this is the did you know part. There's a little lip on this side, and there's also an edge here that we can line up against. So I'm going to line them up in both places, and I'm going to bring my paper over. And then I use my bone folder to get a really nice fold on it. I had no idea about this, and I was just sort of putting my card up here, and sometimes it would slip and so forth, but by having these two edges, you really are assured that it's not going to be a problem. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up on the button below, as well as subscribing so that you can see all of my videos. I'll also have a link to my online Stampin' Up! Store for you to shop. If you need or want any supplies, I would really appreciate your business. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.